watching this video, Happy New Year. I can't believe this, y'all. It is a new year, a new plan with me video. Today is actually January 1st, so you're watching this in real time. I will be decorating the first week in my new catch-all planner. I am very excited for this video because it is the first time I'll be using officially this planner. I have decorated, made it real cute, put my goals and everything. If you want to see that, I have a video and I'll be putting a link for that. So I am so excited. I have a couple of things here. So I have some cute washi with sparkles. I have my scissors just in case I need them. I also have the stickers that I'll be using, and I'll be using these stickers from Shine Sticker Studio because I love her, and the two that you see that are missing, I used them on my other planner. So super excited. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna start adding the little disco balls to cover the date. So pretty. So new year, what are your goals for the new year? I actually don't like the whole concept of new year, new me, because it's not realistic. However, I do like the new year, same me, but a me that wants to do better, a me that wants to keep working on herself, a me that has goals and aspirations. So it's new year, same me, same goals. I'm just gonna work harder at them and be more consistent. So yeah, I'm actually very excited to tackle the new year. Very excited to still continue in my whole planning journey here on YouTube. I'm very excited. I still want to be consistent with that, and maybe even more consistent than last year. So I'm very excited, among other things. But mainly I want to tell myself, you know, it's a new year, same me, just work harder and be consistent. And that's what I want to do. That's what I intend to do. Because in the past I would be like, I have this goal and that goal, and just making a list and all these things that I want to get done, and then, you know, I don't know, I just wouldn't get them done. I feel like I would fail. So that's me. This me is saying, you know what, you have the same goals, you just have to work hard at them and just be consistent. So yeah, that's what we're doing this year. All right, so I put the little disco balls. They are so cute. I already put this little itty bitty sticker. It says, let me see if I can zoom it in. It says goodbye 2024. I was so ready for 2024 to be over. Not that it was a bad year, it really was not, but it's always really exciting to just start again, have a new year, you know what I mean? Hope that I'm making sense. Okay, so this is a new planner and I am excited because I am back, y'all. I am back. This is what I love. I love my vertical layouts. I love it. I've been missing it for ages, and I know I told you all a million times I can't wait to use my new planner. Maybe I can put little recordings of me saying that, of how many times I said it. But I'm actually very excited. I do have a little addition to the collection. Remember last video I said I was not gonna buy anything else? Well, in my defense, I just got a little 2024 A6 planner, but I'm just gonna be using that for quotes and like positivity, and it's older. I'm gonna redate it because in reality it doesn't really matter whether it has a date or not. That makes sense. All right, so I added the little washi. Love that it has sparkle in it because it matches with the whole colors. For New Year's, what did we do for the new year? For New Year's, we spent it at my sister's. Very fun family time. We loved it, but we came home and finished here midnight because because we have kiddos, and I don't know, we decided to come home. We're really close to each other, by the way. So the kids were waiting. Close to midnight, they fell asleep, and I was just there scrolling through my phone until midnight came. And I kissed my dear husband and said Happy New Year to my family. Saw the fireworks, because the fireworks around here are unreal. And then I went to sleep. I thank God for another year, and I went to sleep. All right, this is really cute, and I love that it was repositionable, because I wanted to get them both with a little drink. Okay, so Happy New Year. Let's see what we put this one in. I do apologize because I was out for a few days, but I wanted to enjoy the end of the year, you know. Okay, so let's put the little unicorn. This unicorn's so cute. I love it. I love Shine Sticker Studio stickers. I love her stickers. Been loving them for a very long time. So today is actually a really relaxing day, and I am so happy that I'm back in my spot. This is actually my spot where I would film, but during Christmas we moved everything around for a Christmas tree, but we already took off the Christmas tree. I took everything down because I was like, you know what, we need to take it out. We need to take everything out before the new year. Let's start clean and fresh. And that's exactly what we did. I took out the Christmas decorations. We cleared everything out and we started fresh, y'all. We started fresh. Okay, so put that one there. Everything is just so cute about this cute little, like, everything about this sticker kit, it's adorable. Okay, should I put a bow here? I like that. I like having a bow here. All right, I do love these little stickers. I might not be using them right now, to be honest. And I also have this. Every year I get them, and sometimes I just not even use them, to be honest. So I'm not gonna use them on this planner, but I will definitely use it because I have other planners, and I am very excited because I have all this space back here to do my journaling. And let me show you, because last video I didn't have this, and I actually got a vision board. This is from Canva. It was pre-made, and I might have changed maybe 1 or 2 pictures, maybe 3, but this is some of my goals, you know, with love and family and taking care of myself, reading my books, saving money, and reading my Bible, spirituality, and close to God, and of course working out, which I've been working out since November. So everything, like I said, is still the same goals, same me, but working harder at them. That's my goal. So that looks very pretty. Oh, also something else is new. I added the months here. I added the months. All these stickers that I have are from Dandelion Diaries. I loved her sticker. I want to get more. All right, so for now I think I might leave that. Should I lift this? Maybe I'm gonna add a little more deco. I am so excited. I'm so excited. I've been using my wellness planner, and I don't know, maybe I'll do regular check-ins. I'm gonna do some planning and see what I want to do on the new year, with my YouTube, like how often, what do I want to do. But do go ahead and comment down below in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. Tell me what type of content you would like to see in the new year. I am very excited, but I also like to hear from you because you are my viewers. All right, so let me add just like one more sticker, and that's probably it. All right, so that is pretty much it. I thought I was gonna film myself doing this, but I think maybe I'll do it on a separate video. All right, so thank you all for watching this video. Happy New Year. Remember be kind to yourself, and let's get it. You got this. It's a fresh start. It's a new day. Same you. Same you. All right, thank you all for watching. I will see you all really soon for another video. Bye.